Hi, my name's Phil. I'm the owner of Howarth Garage in Murfield, West Yorkshire. We've been in business 40 years now. These current premises, we've been here since year 2000. We employ 7 staff, 5 technicians and 2 front of house staff besides myself. We specialise in Volkswagen Audi Group vehicles. I'm moving towards specialising in electric vehicles. We do MOT testing on cars, light vans and motorcycles. We've recently expanded into a new unit. We've got this unit, which is one unit and another unit put together. We've now got a third unit with an additional 2 ramps inside there, so we're a total of 6 ramps now. And yeah, we're a very busy garage. Everything you do is online. You're on your phone, you're booking an appointment for a restaurant, for a barber's, for anything really. So garages shouldn't be any different. A lot of the younger generation don't want to ring up and speak to people on the phone. They'd rather do text messaging or email or whatever. So they can go to the website, book an MOT test, book a service, and then that will come through to us, and it just takes a lot of administration out of it as well, and time on the phone as well. I think I heard about garage services online. I was listening to a podcast. I think it was James Dillon's podcast, and he had Jim, the owner of GSO, on there, and found it very interesting, and then looked more into GSO, and then I found their own little podcast. Our old website was very stagnant, and it had been there a long time. Nothing had been touched on it, and this just ticked all the boxes. It was just what we were looking for, you know, the correct set out, user friendly, more presentable. And yeah, it was absolutely fantastic. So we're really happy with it. The process was very simple indeed. They knew exactly what we were looking for after a few simple questions, and then they implemented that, and then it went live very quickly after a few emails and discussions, and we were up and running in no time. The team at GSO are absolutely fantastic. They're all very approachable. They're all really nice. Everything we've asked for, they've implemented really well. I think if anybody hasn't got a website at the moment, then that's a big mistake. Any business needs a good website. They might have a good Facebook page and everything else, but you still need a good website with all your basic information on there and what services you offer, and such as all our Google reviews are linked up to the website as well. So people can see that we've got some good Google reviews on there, or they can go onto Google and look at the reviews as well. They can see that we've got some Facebook posts that are linked onto the website as well. So it's essential really for the, and also the SEO, which will, if you're looking for a service on a particular kind of vehicle, that will bring up our website, at the top of the list, basically. So for whatever service you're looking for, whether it's an MOT test, it's a service, or it's an air conditioning, whatever you're wanting doing, it will bring up our website right at the top of the list. We're moving towards EV work. We've got a qualified level 4 technician now. There aren't many garages around this area that do electric vehicles apart from the main dealers, and a lot of our customers have moved from maybe a petrol car or a diesel car, and then they don't like going to the main dealers for whatever reason. It could be too far to go, or they don't like the particular service they get. So do a search, a Google search, and the website brings us up at the top of the search criteria, at the top of the page. So it's doing its job.